Welcome to Supercar Elegant. I'm Liam from the USA, and this is your go-to channel for luxury car reviews, hypercar deep dives, and the latest supercar reveals. If you're a true car enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we have something incredibly special, the all-new Lamborghini Temerario, the 907 horsepower twin-turbo V8 beast that replaces the legendary Huracán. Yes, you heard that right. Lamborghini is saying goodbye to its naturally aspirated V10, and in its place, they've built a groundbreaking hybrid supercar. But don't worry, this is still every bit a Lamborghini, with mind-blowing speed, an aggressive design, and an exhaust note that will send chills down your spine. Let's start with the design. The Temerario is a masterpiece of aerodynamics, featuring a low-slung body, massive air intakes, and an active rear wing that adapts to your driving style. The sharp Y-shaped headlights and signature hexagonal elements scream Lamborghini DNA, while its lightweight carbon fiber chassis ensures maximum speed and agility. Step inside, and the Temerario welcomes you to the future. A fighter jet-inspired cockpit with a massive digital display, touch-sensitive controls, and customizable drive modes makes this a driver's paradise. Lamborghini has taken luxury and performance to the next level with premium Alcantara, forged carbon fiber trims, and an augmented reality HUD that overlays race data in real time. Now, let's talk power, and this is where it gets exciting. Under the hood, the Temerario packs a 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8 paired with a high-performance electric motor to deliver a combined 907 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. That means a 0 to 60 time of just 2.5 seconds and a top speed of over 217 miles per hour. And thanks to Lamborghini's cutting-edge hybrid system, you get instant torque, brutal acceleration, and improved efficiency, making this the most advanced Huracán successor ever. On the road, the Temerario feels like a true raging bull with its all-wheel drive system, rear, wheel steering, and adaptive aerodynamics, ensuring insane cornering grip and high-speed stability. Whether you're launching off the line, tearing through mountain roads, or dominating the track, this car delivers an unmatched driving experience. And here's the big question, is the Lamborghini Temerario the ultimate supercar of 2026? With its jaw-dropping design, blistering speed, and hybrid innovation, it might just be. But what do you think? Would you take this over a Ferrari 296 GTB or a McLaren Artura? Let me know in the comments. If you're loving this content, make sure to like and subscribe to Supercar Elegant for more exclusive supercar reviews. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.